Welcome. This is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Market up again today as it shakes off concerns about Greek debt. Could be some news out over the weekend on that. But in the VIX, we've seen the same theme going on day after day. There's a big debate right now in the volatility community over where the VIX back month futures belong. Where is the VIX heading? VIX has been at 16 now most of this week, has been in the teens most of the last month, and if you look at realized volatility for the S&P 500, that's been lower than 10. But even as that goes on, there is a belief that volatility will increase, and you see that belief reflected in the VIX future prices. The front month future is in the 17 range, April. Second month, May, about 19. But further back are in the low 20s, 21, 22, even 23. So you balance that belief that volatility will increase with what we've been seeing over the past couple months, and there are those who believe that the futures are just simply too high. And so we're seeing more and more trading in the VIX right now, which is typically people use for protection against moves upside towards the upside. People buying upside calls, the 20s, the 25s, the 30s. More of the trading has been focused on downside. People selling call spreads, the 17-20 call spread in all of the back months. Paper has been selling that in June, in July, in August for about $1.90 on each spread. Today we had a huge order buying the May 18 puts. Now, those traded for $1.05, 60,000 times. The May future is still at about 19, but if you look at the cash, it's 1630. So this player is probably looking for a move downward into the 16 range, 15 range to get a payoff on that May 18 put. So more and more VIX trading has been focused on that Cantango, the elevated levels of the back month futures, and we have a lot of customers coming in wanting to pound that down. Still, there are still obviously call buyers, still obviously people concerned, but the volume of puts we're seeing traded, the volumes of call spreads we're seeing sold is a little bit unusual. So that's what we have going today. Monday I'll be at Cubs opening day. Noah Warsaw is going to be filling in, talking about some ETF action. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1, Option Monster.